Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A52s, and today I'll show you how to format your SD card. So to get started, navigate into your settings. From here, scroll down to, let's see, battery and device care. And in here, select storage. Scroll down and actually, wait, is it scrolling down or do we have to, there we go to the SD card. So you can see you just kind of swipe to the side and this will show you your SD card. And now if you scroll down, I believe, oh, there we go. So there are 3 dots. So select advanced and again SD card, and from here you can select format and format SD card. Samsung does hide the formatting SD card a little bit in the settings, as you can see, but still, once you find it, simply select format and it's a fairly quick process. As you can see, it's already finished. So click on done and there we go, that's it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.